Hi, my name is Andreas from Lopos, and in this 1 minute video, I'm gonna show you on how to do automated contact tracing for HR operations, but also for health and safety. We know that doing a contact tracing manually is very inefficient and it takes a lot of time that you don't have. In the portal, you can select on the minimum contact duration. Let's put this at 30 seconds. And the next thing you can do is select the maximum average distance. So for example, 2 meters, which is around 6 feet. You can also set this dashboard in feet, of course. The next thing you will see is the contacts over time. So you will know immediately if your employees are adhering to the social distancing guidelines. Now, in case of a COVID-19 infection, you would know immediately in less than 30 seconds, based on the proximity sensor data, who to be put in quarantine. You see this here in the immediate overview, the person that they were in contact with. And I know what you're thinking. Oh no, this portal will count the amount of coffees that my employees are taking, or will time how long they're on the toilet. No worries. This is all covered as this portal is GDPR and privacy compliant. Do you want to know more or talk with any of our clients or just order a free test kit? You can contact me at sales@lowpos.be and you can also click on the link in the description to connect. Cheers, goodbye.